Welcome to Mom's Hot Sauce Kitchen. So tonight we have something special, something that I thought the other day, because I had some shrimps the other day and I thought, what can I do with these shrimps? So I thought, ooh, maybe I will use Mom's Hot Sauce, the green truffle. A little spicy, but just stay with me. So this recipe calls for my own recipe. This calls for lemon, garlic, coconut milk or cream, olive oil, cilantro or coriander, butter, and of course, Mom's hot sauce. So let's get busy in this kitchen. So we're adding the oil now. Olive oil, you never go wrong with good olive oil. So, and then we add the butter. I've been preheating the pan, so you should always wait for the pan to get nice and warm. Medium heat. And now I'm going to add the shrimps. You can see the temperature is appropriate because the shrimp legs or extremities turn pink right away. Okay, give me a few minutes. Don't go away. Stay with me. Stay with me. So now we're turning the shrimps around. They're looking very nice. Now don't get excited. Somebody takes a bite right now. They're not ready. What do you think? Pretty good, huh? Smells great. Anyway, oh, by the way, I need to introduce the cameraman. The cameraman is my greatest friend from Italy, Daniele Sesso. E lui è il mio videografo. Allora aggiungiamo l'aglio. Aggiungiamo l'aglio. Oh, we are adding the garlic. Sorry, I got tripped up in my Italian. And now I'm going to turn the fire down for a little bit. Turn the fire down. Okay. Okay, stay with me. Don't go away. Next stage. We're opening green truffle. And we're going to mix green truffle with some of the coconut cream. I have two things here. This is coconut cream. This is coconut milk. Just to add a little bit more liquid depending on how things are going in the pan. And I'm just adding this much. Are you guys ready to see this thing here now going on? I will say this looks pretty good to me. So I'm adding this. Oh my gosh. Smells terrific. Now I'm going to add some milk. Here's the milk. And guess what? Why not add some salt to this concoction of mine? Some salt. And I will put a lid on. So I'll see you guys later. Well, you might wonder, what am I doing? I thought you were done with the cooking. Well, I have a little surprise. Somebody suggested that I do something like this. I'm adding a little bit of oil on this tiny little fry pan. And then I'm gonna be frying my little fellow shrimp's legs. Just something, crunchy to add to the green. We'll garnish our dish with this. This one is too big. Okay. Stay with me. Oh, we are ready. Are you guys hungry? I am. Anyway, as you can see, the shrimp is here. We're gonna add a little bit of cilantro. And you know what? You know what I was thinking? This would be really good with some mango on it. I think that would be awesome also. Anyway, here's the lemon. You can put some lemon on it, squeeze it. And guess what? My little legs are ready. My little legs are ready. Look at them, they're so cute. It's just crunchy stuff. Bon appetit! And like they say in the Blue Samurai, itadakimasu! Let me tell you, this is pretty good. And the touch of the crunchy little legs, oh my God, it's really good. Anyway, please follow us on Instagram at Mom's Hot Sauce. And if you're using the Mom's Hot Sauce in any other recipes, let us know. Let's share the goodness. Come on, guys. Love you. Bye-bye.